don't you like passing the ball? Help me understand.
Say his name and coach.
Fine, I need to understand. If you give me a valid reason, I might help you. Why don't you like passing the ball? You didn't do something wrong, but I need to understand why don't you like passing. Is it that you believe in your skill so much, or you believe in your craft so much, or you're not sure when you receive the ball what's happening? You believe in yourself. I love it. It's a good idea, but sometimes look at this. If you skill over here, you lose the ball over here. Look at how close you are. If you skill over there, you lose the ball. You're far away from the ball, and they foul you over there. It's a penalty.
So I'd rather skill.
You'd rather skill on that side than on this side. Yeah? Can you try? Over here, let's try minimize the touches and play quickly. Play, let's go. Live. Ooh, nice. Oh!
Yeah. Shoot out my body. Yeah. Bye. Open.
Yes, yeah, wow.
Shoot.
Oh, you passed?
Yeah.
No, it's fine. Let's play. Right? Yes.